If you're a small business owner and you've ever said, I know I need to post more content, I just don't have time. This video is for you because slow or inconsistent content creation is one of the biggest silent growth killers in small business. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix it using 4 AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva, Descript, and Synthesia. Let's break it down. Here's what usually happens. You sit down to create content. You stare at a blank screen. You wonder, what should I post? What do I say? Will this even work? Do I need to record a video? And who's going to edit it? An hour passes and nothing gets published. The issue isn't creativity, it's friction. Small businesses don't lack ideas. They lack systems. AI removes that friction. Every piece of content starts with words. That's where ChatGPT becomes your content strategist. You can use it to generate blog post outlines, create social media captions, write email campaigns, script YouTube videos, and brainstorm hooks and headlines. Instead of thinking from scratch, you guide the AI. For example, create 10 Instagram posts for a local roofing company focused on storm damage. Within seconds, you have a content roadmap. Now you're not guessing, you're executing. This eliminates creative paralysis and accelerates production. Even with a great caption, you still need visuals. And hiring a designer for every post isn't realistic for most small businesses. That's where Canva comes in. With AI-assisted templates, you can generate branded graphics, create carousels, design thumbnails, build lead magnets, and produce social ads. Canva's AI features help resize content for multiple platforms, remove backgrounds, generate images, and suggest layouts automatically. Instead of spending hours formatting, you drag, drop, and publish. Now your content looks professional without a design team. Video builds trust faster than any other format. But editing video is where most business owners quit. That's why Descript is so powerful. Descript turns your video into a text document. You literally edit your video by editing text. Delete a sentence in the transcript, it deletes the video segment. You can also remove filler words automatically, enhance audio, add captions, generate voiceovers, and repurpose long videos into short clips. This reduces editing time dramatically. What used to take hours now takes minutes. I've gone ahead and left a link in the video description if you want more details on Descript. Now, here's the biggest barrier. I don't like being on camera. That hesitation stops countless businesses from producing video content. Synthesia solves that completely. You can paste in a script, choose an AI avatar, select a voice, and generate a professional video. No camera, no lighting, no studio. This is perfect for explainer videos, product demos, onboarding content, training modules, and educational social posts. Instead of avoiding video, you automate it, and consistency becomes possible. If you want to try out Synthesia for free, I've left a link in the video description below. Here's what a streamlined AI content system looks like. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a weekly content plan and scripts. Step 2. Create graphics and thumbnails in Canva. Step 3. Record or upload video and edit quickly in Descript. Step 4. If you don't want to appear on camera, generate AI avatar videos with Synthesia. Now, instead of scrambling for ideas every week, you batch content, you systematize production, you publish consistently. When content becomes consistent, brand visibility increases, audience trust grows, leads become warmer, and sales conversations get easier. And most importantly, your marketing stops depending on your mood. Consistency beats intensity. SI simply makes consistency achievable. If you're just getting started, here's a simple plan. Week 1, create 5 video scripts using ChatGPT. Week 2, design supporting graphics in Canva. Week 3, edit and repurpose content in Descript. Week 4, test AI-generated videos using Synthesia. By the end of 30 days, you'll have a content engine, not a content scramble. Slow content creation isn't a creativity problem. It's a systems problem. And AI gives small businesses enterprise-level production capabilities without enterprise-level budgets. To get more information on any of the tools we've discussed here, just click on the links in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical AI growth strategies. As always, it's greatly appreciated. And here's a question. How many pieces of content did you publish last month? Now imagine multiplying that without multiplying your workload. That's the power of AI-driven content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.